Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Looks like I think people are coming from one border to the other, maybe. So we have to go across. And we're just gonna go down to the other side, which is straight ahead. So it looks like where this particular street, so we started over the border and then I came out to this area, and this is that's manufactured land over there. And I haven't been over there in quite a while. That's all under construction right there. And then this turns into Patane Street. Okay, got a park over there and a border over there too. That's where Zhuhai China is at. We're gonna be walking along the border, along this Avenida de Comendador Ho Yin. And we're gonna be walking, it looks like near another park. And then this one right here goes along the Qingmao border is over here. There's another border spot here. This is Toisan, all these tall apartments. And we're just gonna be walking up along this hill and following the traffic and seeing where they go along this Avenida de Comendador Ho Yin. Stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So there's our target sign, and we're gonna be walking uphill a little bit, and we'll just kind of see. I don't think I've walked over this area before. We're basically following the border, but we're gonna just see what's all up in here. Looks like I think people are coming from one border to the other, maybe. That's the border up that way, so there's actually a street. It says no walking. So I think this is the end of the park, and then there's something different right here, and I think that's probably part of the Qingmao. So we are going to continue up. All kinds of stuff up here. So yeah, I think that's the Qingmao border up there. Yeah, it is. So we're actually just following this main street between two borders. So behind me was, what do they call that? The main border gate, Gongbei. So behind me is Gongbei. And then this one is Qingmao. So we're just walking between these two border gates. Over there is Mongha is in this area. It's behind these tall buildings. Toisan is another neighborhood, all these tall buildings. It's one of the densest parts of Macau. And that's Qingmao. It's kind of like some industrial place on the border here. So that's the Qingmao border gate. I'm just gonna walk past. I think they're all waiting for buses, I think. Or taxis, maybe. Maybe a tour bus? I don't know. Let's see a bus. It's not a bus stop, so I think they're waiting for a tour bus to pick them up, maybe. So that's a Qingmao. And CEM is the energy. And I think that our little Avenida de Yohin might be this one up there. Kind of have a feeling it might be. If it is, obviously I can't walk up that tunnel, but I can walk along the tunnel. Give you some context. So, okay. I think this is oh, it's like city vehicles, but they got a nice view right there. I think that's for the city. It says no, thank you. So I guess that's like a city vehicle spot. But it looks like that spot has a nice view. I could see some plants and some chairs. Looks like it could easily turn into a park. We'd actually be able to look into that and see it from up there if we wanted to go up there. What should this say? I don't know what that says. Let me translate that real quick. Okay, let's see what it says. It says you'll be fined $300 Macau dollars for crossing the road at this spot. So yeah, you're supposed to go over this one, but a lot of times, especially the mainland Chinese tourists, they'll often run across the streets. So they're just trying to discourage that. It's good. Thought it might be related to filming. Okay. So this is all this Qing Mao. Border gate. And then we have that ramp thing up there. That's for cars. So you can bypass this whole area if you're in a car. We're still in our street, so we'll just follow it down. Oh dang, looks like I have to go up as well. So that $300 fine involves this one too. So we will continue in a moment. So that's the road that we came up, and that's a little park. It looks like more like a vegetable or plants. Huh, this is like something with tour buses or something. So we have to go across, and we're just gonna go down to the other side, which is straight ahead. So it looks like we're gonna have to navigate over to this side. And I'll show you once we're down there a little bit. So yeah, this is for a border spot, but no foreigners are allowed. So only if you have the Chinese passport or you have the homecoming visa, ethnically Chinese. With a homecoming visa means you're ethnically Chinese and you can have the rights to go in and out of this border gate. Foreigners cannot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the elevator down and go right into the middle part. And I'll give you a little idea where we're going to go. Right down this way. People are going to be playing basketball. It's going to be kind of busy and maybe a little bit interesting as well. Okay, so we basically just came up that one. This is our target street right here. And we had to go up and over the road to continue on. And then we have some basketball stuff over here. And I guess what we're going to do is navigate through here. And I guess we have to cross the street again. But they do have this basketball. There's our green light right there. They do have this basketball stuff like this. So we're going to go across. And then we're going to go down that way. So now we're on this side of the street. I don't know if this is the best side of the street to be on or not. I think there was more people on the other side. But this is where we're at. So let me turn it off for a moment. Okay, kind of a nice big empty space. And we're going to be walking along this route here. So this is all to the Qing Mao border. And they're all coming off the bus stop. So we actually do have quite a few people on this side. And we're going to wander past some more basketball courts. I think there's basketball and maybe soccer as well. And we'll see, I And I think the street's going to be ending in a moment, but I'll find out shortly. Yeah, I can hear some basketball over there too, so I'm just going to come over here for a second. But you can see some basketball right there, and I think that's also either soccer or basketball. And they have another one down that way as well. And I think I'm going to continue on. I think this is Green Island over here. It's called Laboratory Street. I don't think I've filmed Laboratory Street before. But we're still following down our target street, which I believe continues down that way. Oh yeah, and that's a Laboratory Street. So weird. And then we have another interesting street. I don't come up to this border spot too often, so. And now it looks like we're on Patane Street. So I'm gonna come to an ending for the street in a moment. And then, so that big overpass ends over here. There's a waterfront over here. And so our little Hoyin went all the way down that way. And we are going to go to this waterfront over here. And then we're going to end our video. I haven't been over here in ages. So yeah, this is going to be where this particular street, so we started over the border and then it came out to this area, and this is that's manufactured land over there. I haven't been over there in quite a while. That's all under construction right there. And then this turns into Patane Street. So basically this particular street is marked by Qingmao, the border gate. And also the parks where we started at. So we're gonna end this video right here. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.